Alright, so I figured I'd do a little video on how to fix this problem if you guys have this problem on SharpShooter3D. In this case, this is like a sound problem in my case. And this took me almost a week to figure this out, why I was getting this weird sound delay lagging problem, till I finally figured out what was causing it. I never had this problem when I was playing this game on Linux, hilariously enough. So let's just get right to it. If you was playing this game out of box. Alright, there it goes. You see it's having that like glitching, lagging effect. And as soon as I do this in the menu, you can always see it's lagging out. So, fun fact for this game, between this version and the Steam version. On the itch version, you can get stuck with seeing this cutscene every time you start a new game. Then on the Steam port, you don't have to deal with watch this cutscene every time you start a new game. So as I'm demonstrating this, I'm not going to probably repeatedly repeat this a few times to make sure it's working. At least on the other version, because this is kind of annoying. Alright, there you go. You can see it's already lagging out, or stuttering, or in my case, a true freezing up lockup. There's times this game just straight up locks up to the point where I gotta hard reset my computer. I hit pause. You can see how long that took. Oh shit! No, we're not gonna do that. One more try to get the, because it likes to freeze up right there all the time too. That was enough. There it goes again. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and exit out of this before it really locks up my computer again. Alright, so what you want to do, oh shit, if you have this problem in this game, go in your INI file. You want to look for so it'd be under SND_EFX. You want to set that from true to false. And that will fix it. That's all you have to do is do that, and boom, it's fixed. Luckily, after I was literally troubleshooting this for weeks, or not weeks, almost a week, and days after I finally done that to get this to work properly. So hence why I'm gonna make this video and share this, because since I was never finding this problem online at all. Now you can see no lag. Not even once. As you can tell, no lag. Not once. So play it in a way that like it's intended to be played. And the way I was doing this was to turn off the sound back in, and that was no fun doing that. And now play the game without sound. All right, so there's that version. So it just does another version as well. It's bad I got two versions of this game because that's how bad I was trying to troubleshoot this. Give it a second. You are hearing the stuttering and, well, not stuttering, buffer slash freezing effect. And you're seeing how bad it gets in the menu. There we go. You can imagine how annoying that is. You are seeing it like literally stutter even I'm going through the menu. There it goes. Freezing up again. There's times that just freezes up there. There it goes. And, yep. It's supposed to be holding in the keys. Alright, so repeat this again. If you guys ever have this problem, all I gotta do is go to the sound settings. Or if you go into Control F. Like I said, it'd be SND / EFX. You want to set that from true to false. And that's all it takes to fix it. And like I said, you're never going to find this online ever. So I'm just going to make this video so as you can only tell, lag free. Sounds playing normally. So like I said, I actually was never had this problem with playing this on Linux, hilariously enough. When I was first ever playing this game, even heard about it until like last year ago. And I'm finally actually playing this on Windows. And I didn't have this problem until now, and I never could find this info online at all. So, like I said, it took me literally days after messing with the files and messing with the game to finally figure this out. And thank God I did, because oh boy, playing this with that lag and game not working properly to the point where, yeah, this game locks up badly, as you can tell. Kind of no fun. My favorite skip here for all time. Wow, just smashing speed, aka sprint, and jump. So before on this level, or after this, it used to do literally that same lagging, like an out effect, freezing effect. If you was playing this till a couple levels down and you try to exit out it, yeah, you bet this game's really locks up, or you don't get no control in the menu at all. Shocker, no black man in there at the time. Just to show you it's not lagging the first level. Just for fun one more time. And right about here, if I was turning around about now, it would definitely start to lock up like crazy. So there you go. So I don't know what the deal is with that, since I never had this problem till now, and I never really played this game when it was new back then. Like I said, try to find this online, didn't get no results. So like I said, all I gotta do is, I'll just repeat this for the fun of it. Just go into snd_efx, turn that to false, and that's all you gotta do. So yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta do to fix it, and I hope you guys are able to do this to fix yours, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.